How's it going here, future voters of Sean Gang, future president of the United States of America? And we got another beer review. I'm here by a lovely river and review a few beers back to back and see how they get better. First one here is the Melon Conspiracy Hazy IPA. One thing, love the logo. They did a great job on that one here. But it's by Firestone, I guess, Brewing Company. It's a California beer company. Live from the propagator. Anyway, Firestone Walker Brewing Company. All right. On the website here, 6% ABV, 35 IBUs. Color is 6, whatever that is. A new limited release hazy IPA bursting with tropical hop flavors in guava, honeydew, and cantaloupe. Interesting. Available exclusively in the latest IPA mix pack. That's where I got it. Good. It was on sale. Pretty good. Hops are melon and mosaic. Fermentation, 100% stainless steel. Never seen a company say that before. Malts, 2-row, white wheat, Munich. Torrefied wheat, blonde roast, oats, and rolled oats. Interesting. It says, we amped things up with a pair of our favorite hops to create a melon conspiracy. A slyly flavored hazy IPA. True to its name, German melon hops sets the tone with its soft melon-like flavors. We then blend it with Mosaic, the hottest new school IPA hop from the Pacific Northwest, and which conspires to complement its comrade with punchy aromatics. All right. And they also said you might like these other beers, whatever. Interesting. So, melon, sorry. Oh, no, cantaloupe. Yeah, what? Where's the cantaloupe flavor coming from? Anyway. All right. So, let's go pop it here. No glass for this series. Just going straight from the can here. Oh, boy, my nose right in it. It's filled to the top. Be careful with that one. But, definitely hoppy. Ooh, fruity. Hoppy and fruity. Let's go. Make sure you get the logo here. Hey, Firestone. Not bad. I can't see the clarity of it, but doesn't really taste like a hazy, to be honest with me. But because normally I don't really like hazies as much. But yeah, it's definitely fruity. I'm trying to see if I can get the cantaloupe. You know what? You actually can taste a little bit of the cantaloupe in there. So props to them on that one. They got that in there. It actually worked. Not sure if I like that aspect, but not bad. So, pretty good beer. A decent IPA, different trial here. What else would I say we're going to taste here? Yeah, I don't really taste the wheat that much. A little bit. Yeah, blonde roast oats and rolled oats. No idea what that's going to taste like, so I'm sure it's in there. It's just, don't notice it. But yeah, it's like a lighter hazy IPA. Not bad. So if you like hazies, you also like normal IPAs, well, you probably like this one too. Like most beers, it's pretty good. Decent IPA, nothing really comes out at me here. So yeah, it's just that melon, like, or cantaloupe, I think it's melon, is threw me off. So it's there. You can taste it. If you ever try this beer and you can taste it, well, let me know. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna give it a ranking of, oh shoot, let's give it a good old 4 out of 5. Pretty good beer. I like it. So 4 out of 5 for this beer here. And I'm gonna continue enjoying this beer with this lovely view and the lovely lady behind the camera to look at. And I'll see you next time. This is Sean again, future president of the United States of America, signing off.